All right, I think we can get started. So for those of you who haven't seen me yesterday, I'm Hoon Cho from Yale University. I'm one of the co-organizers for this workshop. Welcome to day 2. Thanks for making it here early in the morning. I hope you all had good rest yesterday. So I want to start by thanking those of you who were there yesterday for a great first day of the program. We had many interesting talks, discussions, and so on. So that was all great. So hopefully we can carry some of that momentum to our second day. This is the agenda for today. Just briefly, so we're going to have a talk session in the morning with 5 talks lined up for you. And then after a break, we'll have small group discussions where we can delve into some of the topics in more depth. And then after that, we'll reconvene for sharing summaries, and then we'll have lunch together. Lunch will be provided. And just a quick note early on, for the small group discussions, what we're envisioning is people, if you have some specific topic that you want to discuss with others, you can suggest that to be the small group discussion topics. So we put out Post-it notes on the tables in front of you. So if you want to suggest anything, you can write something down. And we have a poster board down here, so you can put it there, maybe during the break. We did think about having some natural themes related to the main topic of the workshop. So applications of DPs to clinical data, EHR, that could be one broad theme. The other theme could be applications to genomics, omics data, that could be another theme. And then we could also have something more specific around synthetic data generation. So those are the 3 topics that we roughly had in mind, but feel free to suggest additional ones. So going into our first talk session, these are the 6 speakers we have for today. Thanks to all the speakers for joining us. So without further ado, we'll start with our first talk of the session. We have Professor J.D. Vaidya from Rutgers University, and he'll tell us about differential privacy in the context of genomics, what works well, what doesn't, and what the opportunities are. Welcome, J.D.